the Guo siblings are now facing money laundering cases. Here's the report.
Alice Guo's sister Sheila was again grilled at the Senate on Thursday. Senator Risa Hontiveros said she was not convinced by Sheila's previous statements.
Ang hirap paniwalaan actually na tatlo kayo, ni na Alice, bilyones ang pera ninyo, na? Pinaghahanap ng buong bansang Pilipinas, i-expose nyo ang sarili nyo sa ganyang delikadong biyahe sa dagat. Maaari mo bang i-describe sa amin yung itsura ng Siemben na yan?
Kasi beach yata yun. Palang beach na may buhangin.
Siyempre naman, beach, so may buhangin.
Opo.
Ano pa?
May tao, pero hindi ka ano.
May kaunting...
Palang turista ata yung tao na yun.
Ontiveros then showed a copy of Sheila's passport. It was a July 18 stamp for entry into Malaysia via Kuala Lumpur. It turns out that Sheila and her siblings first traveled to Kuala Lumpur, but she insisted that they used boats going to Sabah.
Yung ganyang klaseng stamp daw ay itatatak lang sa passport kung galing ng KL. Ha? At July 19 ka lang pumasok sa Sabah. Ayon sa stamp na yan. Sa makatuwid, nauna ka dapat sa Kuala Lumpur kaysa sa Sabah. Pero ang kwento mo noon hanggang ngayon, mula Pilipinas, galing sa Sabah. Dumaan muna ba kayo sa Kuala Lumpur?
Kasi pagdating kami sa Sempen na, may ano pa, biyahe pa kami. Biyahe kami, tapos dalating sa isang lugar, Malaysia na yan. Nakainan alaw kasi kami doon.
Other senators also believe that Sheila is lying or not providing sufficient information.
You owe it to yourself na magsabi ng katotohanan. Hindi ka makakalabas ng Pilipinas ng ganun lang. Kahit nakapatid mo pa si Alice Guo. Hindi ka makakalabas ng ganun lang. Hindi ka makakawala sa mga otoridad sa Pilipinas ng ganun lang. Nasasabihin mong wala kang alam o walang tumutulong sa'yo.
The lawmakers warned Sheila that she may be imprisoned for lying. The Anti-Money Laundering Council also confirmed the filing of cases against the Guos.
Yung sinabi ng AMLAC na posibleng i-sentensya sa inyo ay mula 609 years hanggang 1,218 years. Lampas-lampas sa lifetime ng isang tao. So isipin yung mabuti kung worth it na patuloy na hindi magsabi ng totoo.
The Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines says they did not see any Guo in the list of outbound passengers, but they admit that they could not verify if the names were correct.
Kasi according dun sa investigation nila, Senator Risa, ano daw sabi nila parang they arrived in Kuala Lumpur on July 18. Pero ang sabi ni Sheila during the hearing, they left the Philippines July 18. So doon pa lang, alam mo na may discrepancy, di ba? Merong pagsisinungaling. Yun ang sinasabi niya. Tapos mali daw yung fake daw yung stamp na pinakita sa kanila.
Well, they're faking entry points. Pwede. Or they left at July 18 ng midnight and then they're still arrived in Kuala Lumpur within the day. Kasi it takes less than a day naman kung non-stop travel.
Kaya nga kahapon nung nahuli si Alice Guo, tinatanong na siya mga reporters, paano kayo nakaalis? Di ba? Paano, sino tumulong sa inyo? Hindi pa siya nagsasalita. So, tingnan natin kung magko-corroborate yung mga story ni Sheila, ni Cassandra, at saka
Pero
ni
what's
Alice
interesting
Guo.
is kasi humihingi ng tulong si Alice sa may death threats. So the mere fact that she's professing this means na may tinatago, she's protecting somebody. And she, 'di ba? And then she's asking for help for protection. Sana magsabi na siya ng totoo. But what's so funny also here is tinanong si Sheila, ano yung beach pinunta nyo? Sabi ni Sheila, may buhangin. Sabi ni Senator Risa, natural, may buhangin, beach Ano pa meron? May tao.
Feeling ko kasi na lack of
Lost
better,
in translation.
lost in translation, lack of better
Oh,
term.
pero this is serious yung sa charges daw that can be brought against them by AMLAC will be up to 1,000 years. Would you imagine 1,000 years in prison? Walang parole yan. Double, somebody only lives for 80 years, possible 600 to 1,000 years in prison.
Kaya ako sa kanila,
Is it worth it?
na sila.
Stop protecting yung mga pinoprotektahan nyo.